So I'm currently 27 years old, and if there's anything I've learned to refine over my college and early married life years is my cleaning routine. Though I'm not perfect, I think I have found a flow and a routine that helps me keep the house at least intact. Hi, my name is Eden Scritchfield. I make videos on fitness and family, and if that content interests you, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and like this video if this helps. So I came up with an acronym to help you get started on how to refine your cleaning process, and that acronym is SIP. Schedule, Investments, and Products. These are the three things that I would analyze in your cleaning routine to help refine your process, to help make cleaning semi-enjoyable. So let's start with S. Something that I needed to do was to evaluate my schedule and really simplify how I cleaned when I cleaned. I decided that just randomly choosing a day to clean the entire house because all of a sudden it was a disaster was obviously not working for me. It was very overwhelming, and so I came up with a cleaning sheet that helps me clean specific things or specific rooms or do specific cleaning tasks throughout the week. Of course, this does not mean that your house is always 100% clean. It more so gives you the opportunity to have your house be generally clean most of the time and have different areas that are important to you or that are obvious, like the floors and laundry and things like that, clean most of the time so that it doesn't pile up. For more inspiration about that, I actually just recently made a video, you can click here, about my cleaning schedule if you are not sure where to start. I have what I think is a pretty good cleaning routine, at least for my home and my house, so you can click that here to check that out. So after you have a schedule, I would invest in products or things that bring you joy when you clean. And I know this sounds kind of silly, but something that I did a while back is I bought these brown glass cleaning bottles, or I guess they're just generally glass bottles that have the spray cap on them. I will buy my products and then I will put the products in these bottles because they're just so aesthetic and they're pretty. And I don't know, it just helps make cleaning feel a little bit more fun. I don't know, it just helps make cleaning feel better, and it's just cool to have like these nice bottles. They're aesthetic, they look nice, even sitting in your laundry room. It just makes cleaning a better experience. So not only investing in things that make cleaning look better, but also things that make cleaning easier. For instance, I hated using a giant bucket full of water and this gross mop head and mop for mopping. So what I do now is I just have a glass bottle with my product and I just spray the floor, and then I have one of those super cheap, like, I guess you could call it a mop, but it just has, it's like flat on the head, and then you can take that head off and just throw it in the washer if it's dirty. It has made mopping and cleaning my floors so much easier. I just hated the floors being soaking wet and dragging that bucket around. Plus, we don't have a lot of hardwood floor in our house, and so I didn't need like a whole bucket of water, you know? I just made it easier for myself. You know, I grab the bottle and I grab the mop, and it's super simple. For me personally, the next thing that I want to buy is a cordless vacuum. Those things are so nice. You just pop them off the wall because you can like hang them up on the wall. And again, we don't have a ton of hardwood floor. And so for me, that would just be so easy to just grab off the wall, swip through, you know, all of the hardwood floor that we do have in our dining room and kitchen, or for like quick cleanups, especially because my son's eating solids now and he's throwing food everywhere. So like vacuuming up crumbs and stuff like that. Or we have cats who like leave fur balls, just because I only vacuum about once a week. And so if there is, you know, little places here and there that do need to be vacuumed, I could just quickly grab that, because our house is also set up super weird. So using our cord vacuum can be kind of a nuisance. So that's the next thing I really want to buy, because I know it's going to make my vacuuming process that much better. Last is P, refining your products. So aside from the glass bottles and like machinery, there are 4 products that I use on a regular basis all the time. I almost don't use anything else because they just hit almost everything on the head. So white vinegar, dish soap, thieves cleaner, or any kind of general cleaner, and baking soda. And even dish soap and white vinegar can make a general cleaner themselves. I have that for my kitchen, but the vinegar doesn't smell super great, so you can also throw in like essential oils. But I like to use that because it's a good degreaser too, and it gets crumbs and stuff off like kitchen counters. White vinegar is a really good disinfectant, and so I use that a lot in my kitchen. But for things like mirrors, our floors, our bathroom counters, even the toilet, like I literally use thieves cleaner for everything. I use that on everything because it smells amazing, it's really clean products, and it does the job. There are a ton of videos out there on the internet too to help you figure out how to use just those simple products for cleaning lots of areas of your house, and I don't have time to do that in this specific video, but you can just search those products and there's lots of videos talking about how to combine those ingredients to make things that clean your entire house. And like I said, compared to like Lysol and Clorox and these other brands that just use so many harsh chemicals, and I get it, like sometimes you do need to use a harsher product for things. Like we still use like drain cleaner that's like obviously not great for you because like what else are you supposed to use? I think you can use white vinegar, and I think I tried that before, but sometimes the most natural products don't necessarily do the job. And so there are things I still use extra outside of those 4 products, but generally for like just a weekly basis kind of clean, that's all that I use. Something that has made refining my products so much better with my relationship with cleaning is that it doesn't feel overwhelming. It's like I know what products I have. I just have to go grab that product and I can clean like 4 or 5 things with just that one bottle, instead of like hauling a ton of bottles of different products all over the house. It just makes it so much better. And the fact that it's a clean product, the fact that it's less ingredients, it's not as harsh, it smells amazing still. Like I have really enjoyed refining my products to products that I feel safe with, that I feel safe around my baby with, and I just have to use like less of my brain when I have this refined process and refined products that I just go to, clean this and this and this, and then we're good. So just remember to refine your schedule, your investments, and your products, and you are guaranteed to have a way better experience with cleaning. I definitely needed this video when I was in my late teens and early 20s, especially being young and married and learning how to clean an entire house. We bought our house about 1.5 years ago, so it has been, you know, as a young woman, you just learn how to take care of your house, and you're learning how to be a better wife and how to make your home feel good and to smell good and to be a safe place for you, your husband, and any kids that you have. So if you have had struggles with a cleaning routine, I hope this video has helped you. If you want to see or buy any of the products that I've mentioned, I have them linked below in the description. You can click on those links and it'll take you right to the product. So thank you for joining me today, and happy cleaning. We'll see you next time.